new day, Digley and Dazey on holiday. No work to do, let's go and play. 'Cause everyone's here, give a big cheer down at the beach. Down at the beach, digging in the sand, floating on water. Life is just grand. But what was that? Racing around, yes. Buster and Scout driving about down at the beach. Down at the beach, look what we've made. Playing sandcastles, watch that big wave. Daisy and Buster have made a team. So, come on, let's stick to make it big down at the beach. Down at the beach, sandcastle fun. Digley and Scout make a bigger one. Look at the sea, it's coming in. So, get digging quick, that is the trick down at the beach. Down at the beach, here comes the tide. While Mr. Rubble must run and hide. Look, Mrs. Skip is surfing in. So, everyone's soaked, sharing a joke down at the beach. Knock it down, knock it down. We're gonna knock it down, knock it down. Daisy loves to smash and swing her ball around. We're gonna knock it down, knock it down. This house is wibbly wobbly. They need to make it safe as can be. Mr. Rubble plans, Daisy sings with 1, 2, 3. Wait, a kitten's coming out. Help Digley. We're gonna knock it down, knock it down. We're gonna knock it down, knock it down. Daisy loves to smash and swing her ball around. We're gonna knock it down, knock it down. Here, kitty, kitty, something to drink. Careful, Daisy, you're more strong than you think. The house is swaying and Kitten's at the top. You need to help it before everything drops. We're gonna knock it down, knock it down. We're gonna knock it down, knock it down. Now the kitten's saved and the house is tumbling down. We're gonna knock it down, knock it down. Everybody's busy digging the canal. Everybody's busy digging the canal. There is lots of work to do and some big surprises too. Everybody's busy digging the canal. The trench is dug and it looks good to go. Daisy's ready to put on a show. With a swing and a smash and a fling and a splash. Look and see the water start to flow. Everybody's busy digging the canal. Everybody's busy digging the canal. There is lots of work to do and and some big surprises too. Everybody's busy digging the canal. Daisy needs some help to stop the tide. CJ saves the day, they're side by side. But they're not done. Look, over there's someone. A boulder's in their way, it's big and wide. Everybody's busy digging the canal. Everybody's busy digging the canal. There is lots of work to do and some big surprises too. Everybody's busy digging the canal. Working hard with the crew. They all have a job to do. Everyone is helping. Watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow. Here comes Bump, roll along. Uh-oh, all the plans are wrong. He can't speed up, and that isn't bad, but moving slowly makes him sad. Working hard with the crew, they all have a job to do. Everyone is helping, watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow. Working hard with the crew, they all have a job to do. Everyone is helping, watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow. Working hard with the crew, they all have a job to do. Everyone is helping, watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow.
If you're happy and you know it, dig it up. Dig, dig. If you're happy and you know it, dig it up. Dig, dig. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, dig it up. Dig, dig. If you're happy and you know it, push the dirt. Push, push. If you're happy and you know it, push the dirt. Push, push. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, push the dirt. Push, push. If you're happy and you know it, mix cement. Mix, mix. If you're happy and you know it, mix cement. Mix, mix. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, mix cement. Mix, mix. If you're happy and you know it, build it up. Knock it down. If you're happy and you know it, build it up. Knock it down. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, build it up. Knock it down. They're so happy working on the building site. Hooray! They're so happy working on the building site. Hooray! Digley, Dozer and TJ are having fun and laughs all day. They're so happy working on the building site. Hooray! Go, go, Dozer! Digley and Dozer, hard at work, hard at work, hard at work. Keep it up, you're almost done. Building so much fun. Yay, well done, the bridge is fixed. London Bridge, London Bridge. Yay, well done, the bridge is fixed. Thank you, Digley and Dozer. Itsy bitsy spiders climbing up the tower. He can reach the top, but it's gonna take him hours. Digley comes along and lifts him to the top, and Itsy bitsy spider thanks him a lot. Itsy bitsy spider climbing up and up. Up he goes, he's climbing oh so high. Climbing up the tower, jump, jump, hop. Itsy loves the view from the top. Digley lifts a light bulb to the very top. A rope is gonna break, so Digley has to stop. Itsy comes along to help poor Digley cope, as Itsy spins a web that fixes up the rope. Itsy bitsy spider climbing up and up. Up he goes, he's climbing oh so high. Climbing up the tower, jump, jump, hop. Itsy loves the view from the top. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.